the 16th Attorney General of Samoa?
It feels like I'm taking on a heavy responsibility, and I just hope that I can live up to my predecessors.
What are your plans for the next 3 years of your contract? If I lead to the official Loia Sili.
Well, I suppose lawa umang announce ang palimia that olea la ako am ese umaya loya may makangad weng ng balo ala amak ko kung ofisa. I think at this moment there's a lot of fear out there among our lawyers in the government because of these sudden changes that have come out with no warning. I assure you, my office, DJ Fong, is planning a proper information session for those government lawyers so that they feel that no matter what, our office is there to support them, and whatever transition, it will be done smoothly, and DJ will be responsible making sure that's done.
Will that move help you with the workload and the shortage of the lawyers externally coming in?
Well, I hope so. I hope so, but I guess I'll never know until maybe another year, and then we can review it again and see. I think sometimes let's not look down at young lawyers. It is the young lawyers that will build this nation and build this office in my past experience. It's just giving them the sense of confidence, self-esteem that they are government lawyers and they will represent this country to the best of their ability. My job is to arm them with the skills and the knowledge and the ability to have that confidence. I think I'm hoping that we will all work together to build them up.
With the latest move, the government's lawyers say local AG, was it an idea came up with the government or your recommendation to the government?
It's been there for a very long time. It was a discussion since I think all the way from Brenda's time, Ning's time, and now it's being put in place.
I love
In your speech, you mentioned your family fearing your appointment as a what did you mean about that? What did you mean by that?
Well, like every parent, they fear when their child takes an office that will always come with public criticism, media attacks, and public attacks. So, of course, it is a position that no parent really wants to put their child in.
I love